Thank you all. I would like to add here that this song was written by the first Vice Chancellor from the university, Professor Tomoriba sir. He is here with us today, and the university anthem was first created by Professor Tomoriba. May we please give a big round of applause. Thank you. On 15 March, Rajiv Gandhi University, Arunachal Pradesh was accredited with a 3.02 CGPA out of 4 and awarded an A grade by the National Assessment Accreditation Council. And here, we are gathered here to celebrate this momentum that the university has got into, and the university has decided the next grade will be even better than this. And to start the celebration, on behalf of the Rajiv Gandhi University, we have Dr. David Pertin, with him teachers and staff of the Rajiv Gandhi University presenting before you an opening song. May I please invite Dr. David Pertin.
This song is a tribute to all those who have contributed in achieving this A grade from the accrediting council, NAC Bangalore. So here we are with our number. Yaro Hum Sab Chalte Rahe. It's a unity song dedicated to each and every one of us for this achievement.
evening to all of you. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Saket Kushwaha, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Arunachal Pradesh University, Professor Tomoriva, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. D.N. Sharma, Arunachal University Lekhi, statutory officers, deans of various faculties, Director IQSC, Professor R.C. Parida, heads and director of different departments and institute of Rajiv Gandhi University, faculty members, officers of the university, non-teaching employees, students of the university, and our special invitees, the alumni of this university, parents and guardians, and local denizens of Rajiv Gandhi University, especially our Gaon Buraj, our invited principals of various institutions in and around Capital Complex, and ladies and gentlemen present here. At the very outset, I extend my warm welcome to all of you on this very, very special day of the university, where we are celebrating the momentous occasion of being accredited with grade A by National Accreditation and Assessment Council, Bangalore. On 15th of March, we received the result. In fact, the NAEC FAIR team visited this university from 27th to 29th of February 2024, and result was out on 15th of March 2024. So it has been little delayed, but nevertheless we are here this evening to celebrate the achievement that the university has done in NAEC grading. And here everybody, not only those in the campus, those presently working, presently serving in different capacities, maybe teacher, maybe even students and employees, everyone has contributed meaningfully. That is why we achieved this success. And the role and responsibilities or contributions made by a cross-section of the society, including our alumni, cannot be ruled out, because many of them have even physically presented before the peer team in the university, and actually they have interacted with the peer team, alumni, students, parent, guardians, even the faculty members and of course students. So that is why overall assessment we actually got this grading, grade A. And for your kind information, this is, I think, the third institution which achieved the A grade in entire Northeast India. So that way we have reached milestone, but the challenge is that we have to keep the tempo, we have to move further, we have to actually climb up the grading by securing grade A plus, A plus or A plus plus. A plus plus is the highest grading. So that way we have a lot of challenges ahead. We should not actually remain at this achievement. We should try to move higher. So this is our responsibility. By way of organizing this Thanksgiving or felicitation program, we just wanted to remind ourselves and remind all of us that we have to do lot many things to keep up the spirit and to move further. So with this Once again, I extend my warm welcome to all of you, especially to our alumni and our officers of the sister institutions. I just wanted to mention we have alumni who are here physically. Many are here, but just to name few, we have Mrs. Mamta Riba, who is Director Land Management, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. She has presented before the peer team also. So today also we are very lucky to have you here this evening. And Mr. Subbu Tamin, he has also attended the interaction sessions with the peer team. Then we have Director TRIMS, Dr. Moji Jini. Then Mr. Hoj Dadon, Director Handloom and Textiles. So that way we have many alumni even present physically today. We are very thankful to you, all of you. And from the government side, state government side, we have Dr. A.K. Mishra, who is liaison officer. He is representing the Directorate of Higher and Technical Education. And we are very lucky to have Mr. Deepak Kumar, who was actually a youth officer, Northeast youth officer, who was looking after National Service Scheme. So we are very lucky to have you this evening. We welcome you along with your friends. So with this, without wasting time, I once again welcome all of you and let us enjoy the moment. With this, thank you very much.
Continuing with the welcome address, like Sir said, this achievement would not have been possible without the support of the social ecosystem that the Rajiv Gandhi University is surrounded with. So I request the organizing committee, Professor Elizabeth Hansing Madam, to welcome our esteemed guests on behalf of the university. First we have Professor Tomo Riba, Vice Chancellor of Arunachal Pradesh University. We welcome you, sir. Then we have Dr. Moji Jini, sir, Director of TRIMS. With him, we have Mr. Hoj Dadon, Director of Handloom and Textiles, alumni of the Rajiv Gandhi University, who was also present in the interactions. We also have Madam Mamta Riba, Director, Land Records. She was also a part of the program. And we have a former faculty member who is now with the state government. May I request Madam to please felicitate our guest. Thank you, ma'am. Now, may I invite Dr. M. Mohapatra, Madam, Principal of HCTE. Madam is sitting in that corner. Then we thank the Principal of Don Bosco Junior College. Father Joseph. Then we have Mr. Vijay Sonam, a social entrepreneur. Vijay Sonam, sir, who is sitting at the back. He is also an alumni of the Rajiv Gandhi University. Then we have Tao Aju Madam. She is the Principal of Government College Doimuk. Thank you, ma'am. Sitting with her is Madam Fyam Chakap Krime. She is the Senior Finance and Account Officer, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Then we have Dr. Eva Dupa, Government College Doimuk. She is an alumni and also a faculty currently with the Government College Doimuk. We thank you, madam, for coming today. We have Dr. Dharmendra Rai, Principal of Donipolo B.Ed College. Dr. Dharmendra Rai, sir. Then Dr. B.N. Sharma, sir, sitting at the front with our registrar. May we please welcome them. We now invite Dr. Meenakshi G. Sharma from the VKCT, Madam Meenakshi Sharma. So we invite and welcome Mr. Tar Chakum, DRCS, who is sitting at the front. Mr. Tar Chakum, who is a DRCS and who interacted with the NAC team. And we have Dr. H. Nara and Dr. T. Nara, also parents of our students. The parents of our student who was there representing the parents' fraternity of the university. Now we request to please welcome Deepak sir, the Dean in charge of TRIMS, who was with us today, Dr. Sanya sir. And also Deputy Dean at TRIMS, Sir S. Bosu from Fulbright. May we invite S. Bosu sir and Madam Jana, also representing the Fulbright. Then we have Deepak sir, who is the Deputy Dean of TRIMS, Deepak Kumar. Then we have representative from the people who donated this land where the university stands tall today. We welcome Mr. Gichik Potum sir. Gichik Potum ji, please accept this token of thank you from the Rajiv Gandhi University representing the people of your circle. Next we have Mr. Nabam Tajam. Next we have Mr. Nabam Tajam, Gaumura. Mr. Tana Topu. Mr. Tana Topu, Honorable Gaumura. Thank you. Now to continue with the program, may I please welcome the students of Department of Education, Rajiv Gandhi University, to present a group dance representing the students of the Rajiv Gandhi University. They are the students doing a multi-type dance where they will be performing on the songs of Ali, Galo, Apatani, Nishi, Vishmi, Tagin, Tangsa, Nokte and Mompa. The students of Department of Education, please.
Papa vedre och så.
That was the students of the Department of Education. And may I please request all the audience to please give one more round of applause for their hard work. Now, I would like to felicitate us, sir. He is also the president of Arunachal Pradesh Gaon Association. And he is a constant support to the Rajiv Gandhi University. And whether it is a convocation or a foundation day, he is always with us. And we also have Nabum Gurmu sir, who is accompanying him. May we please welcome and thank them for their continued support to the university. Thank you very much. Thank you for being here. Now we have come to the moment where we will be honoring the people who have worked very hard for this achievement. It is no doubt all the faculty members, all the staff of the university has worked earnestly for this achievement. But for more than 2 years, the IQAC team and the SSR team has been working very hard. They started the work before us, and what the rest of the university did was put their dreams into fulfillment. May I invite Honorable Vice Chancellor of the Rajiv Gandhi University and Registrar to please come on the dais and honor these members of the IQAC team and the SSR committee. The next grade is the achievement of Team RGU, and this token of appreciation only represents a few members who have been working tirelessly on collection of data and submitting the correct data to the portal. But we must thank all the students, alumni, all the teachers, all the officers at this moment. Starting with the felicitation, first I invite Professor Utpal Bhattacharjee, the chairman of SSR committee. Professor Utpal Bhattacharjee, if he is present here, he is the chairman of the SSR committee. Then we have the convener, Dr. Rajesh Chakrabarti. May I please invite the convener, Dr. Rajesh Chakrabarti. In the presence of the chairperson, it is the duty of the convener to take the responsibility. So we will start with our convener, Dr. Rajesh Chakrabarti sir, who has worked very hard for this achievement. Then we have Dr. Sunil Nandi. If I may please request Dr. Sunil Nandi to please also join us on the stage. Dr. Rupam Sharma from the SSR committee. Dr. Dipen Kakati, member of the SSR committee. Dr. Anup Kumar Das. Then we have Dr. Nikhil Kumar Mano. From the Agriculture Sciences. May I also invite Dr. Arnab Ghosh. Dr. Shri Shiv Sundar sir, the Department of Education. We have Dr. Shri Shiv Sundar, the Department of Education, and also from the same department, Dr. Narendra Singh. Dr. Narendra Singh. Then Dr. Upamanyu Das. Dr. Prasenjit Pujar Borua. From the Department of Economics. Dr. Ravi Ranjan Kumar from the Department of Social Work, Dr. M.S. Maite, Sanju Maite sir, also a member of the SSR committee. Mic on Sanju Maite sir, if he is present. Dr. Koshnanda Pratap Singh, Dr. K.P. Singh as he is more renownedly known as, also from the Department of Social Work. Dr. Gunjan Kumar Saurabh, a new faculty. Dr. Gunjan Kumar Saurabh. These are the members of our SSR committee who has been working tirelessly. Mr. Gunjan Kumar Saurabh. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the SSR committee who have been working. Led by Professor R.C. Parida, Director of the IQAC. Today's program. Professor R.C. Parida sir, if you please come to the dais. He is the chairperson and also the organizing chairman of today's program. May I please invite now Professor R.K. Singh sir from the Department of Botany, Professor R.K. Singh sir, member of IQAC, Professor Sanjeev Kumar, Professor Sanjeev Kumar sir from the Department of Physics, Professor Supam Tangjan sir, former DSW and now Dean of Agriculture Sciences, Professor Supam Tangjan sir, Professor Okan Rego, Professor Gibji Nimanto sir from the Department of Geography, a member of IQAC Rajiv Gandhi University, followed by Dr. Firoz sir, if you are present, please join us on the stage. We also invite Dr. Anita Gu, faculty from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Then we have Dr. David Worthen, Joint Registrar, Academic and Conference, who is looking after examination now. Then Shri Shirindi Megiji, who is a Joint Director of Computer Center, Shirindi Megiji. We have this is Dr. David Perthin. And then we have Shirin Megiji sir from the Computer Center.
After Megiji sir, last but not the least, our none other than our beloved Mrs. Moir Riba. Moir Riba Gamlin.
Any head from the branch, if he is here, may please join us on the stage, Finance branch. This is gratitude to the branch. Then we have the administrative branch. Administrative branch will rightfully be represented by our registrar himself. Is anyone here as well from the administrative branch? DR from the administrative branch, Sonam sir maybe can receive it. Toglik sir is if he is here. Toglik sir, Sonam sir if you are here, Sonam sir. Next we will have the academic branch. This is called administrative branch. Then we have the academic branch. May I request Jose sir to please join us on stage. Jose sir and also any staff from the academic branch. Jose sir, if you are around, I just saw you 2 minutes back. Any officers from the administrative branch, any staff from the academic branch? Moving on, we have the examination branch, and we again request Dr. David Pertin sir to come and receive it. If there is any staff from the department, they can also join us on the stage for the examination branch. Next, we have a thank you for the development branch. Any officers from the development branch? Sahasar is here to receive on behalf of the development branch. Then we have the VSET team. I am sure they are present because without them no program is possible. Our joint director and if any staff of the side is also present here, they can join. The VSET team of RGU, who is the backbone of the Rajiv Gandhi University, we welcome them to come on dais and receive this token of appreciation. Then we invite the library team. If Pandiji is here from the library, if any colleague of his is present, from the library team, Pandiji sir is coming to receive. Then the UGC project branch, if there is anyone from the UGC project branch. Our beloved Sumba Didi is here. She is coming representing the UGC project cell. Then very proudly, I invite the Institute of Distance Education. Our director, Professor Asan Reddy sir, is present here. May I request Reddy sir to receive this token of appreciation. The Institute of Distance Education, who has also been working very hard to achieve this grade A. Then we have is Professor Asan Reddy sir. Next, we have the establishment branch teaching. I can see Rupa Madam here, establishment branch teaching. Then we have the registration branch, followed by vehicle branch, and after that the health center team. If Dr. Akin or Madam Kim is present here, Dr. Akin sir is, I can see him. Please join us on the stage, Dr. Akin representing the health center team. Then we invite the security cell, if Achi Badal is here. Achi Badal, if he is here, or anyone from his team from the security cell. Then we have the Hindi cell, and I can see Madam Gumpi Kuso. Madam Gumpi Kuso, if you can please join us on the stage. Then the store branch. Store branch, if anyone is here from the store branch. Then sanitary inspection team. Very important. They made a big impact this time in the NAC accreditation, the sanitary inspection team. Anyone from the sanitary inspection team? And finally, we have the 4 associations who represent the Rajiv Gandhi University in its best form. We invite the Rajiv Gandhi University Teachers Association. We invite representative from the Rajiv Gandhi University Teachers Association. A faculty member may please come and collect. We invite Professor Tasikai sir. Kai sir, as a senior most faculty member of the university, we invite Professor Tasikai sir from the Department of Commerce to receive this token of appreciation on behalf of Rajiv Gandhi University Teachers Association. Then we have the Rajiv Gandhi University Employee Association. Rajiv Gandhi University Employees Association. Achi Birutava is here, representing the Employees Association, who have been an integral part of this achievement. Then we have Rajiv Gandhi University Students Union, the RGUSU. The GS himself is present here today. And our louder clap, because a lot of students are present here. This is representing all our dear students. Rajiv Gandhi University Students Union. And lastly, we have the Rajiv Gandhi University Alumni Association. The last presentation for today would be for the Rajiv Gandhi University Alumni Association. Jo sir, if Achi Vijay Sonam can come and see me. We request our other alumni who are present here to also please join us on the stage. Dodong sir, Madam Mamta, Aju Madam, Eva Madam, Madam Pyom, all the alumni who are present here today. On behalf of this association, if you can please come. This is the first time in the university that we are getting a chance to celebrate our teachers, the students, the alumni, and the employees together. Go through our long list of thank yous, but this was inevitable, it was necessary.
एक साथ मिलकर इस यात्रा में आगे बढ़े। लेकिन मैं अपनी बात कहूँ उसके पहले हमारे बीच अपने यूनिवर्सिटी के वरिष्ठ प्रोफेसर जो अभी वर्तमान में अरुणाचल यूनिवर्सिटी पासीघाट के ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर प्रोफेसर तोमो रिबा साहब, प्रोफेसर शर्मा जी अरुणोदय यूनिवर्सिटी के ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर मेरे साथ हैं। अपने साथ मैं ममता रिबा मैडम को देख सकता हूँ, A.K. मिश्रा साहब को देख सकता हूँ, ऑनरेबल डायरेक्टर थ्रिप्स जीजी सर को देख सकता हूँ, डायरेक्टर्स देख सकता हूँ, अशोक जी को देख सकता हूँ, डिप्टी डायरेक्टर मैं प्रिंसिपल मैडम मत्रा को देख सकता हूँ। यहाँ पे जॉर्ज साहब बैठे हुए हैं, मैडम मिस्टर राय थे, और जिन प्रिंसिपल का नाम मैं नहीं ले पा रहा हूँ मैं उनको नमस्कार करता हूँ। हमारे गांव के गांवुड़ा इस सभागार में दे रहा है, उन सभी अलमनी को उनके एसोसिएशन को मैं नमस्कार करता हूँ। आपके सहयोग के लिए धन्यवाद। आपको बधाइयाँ एक बार इसलिए भी कि आपने साबित कर दिया कि आप A++ यूनिवर्सिटी हैं। आपके सामने A दिखाई दे रहा है, लेकिन मेरे नजरों से अगर आप देखें तो बहुत कम यूनिवर्सिटी इस देश में, मुझे लगता है कि शायद 5% यूनिवर्सिटी इस देश की जिन्होंने इतना साहस दिखाया कि डिस्टेंस मोड को भी उन्होंने रिकॉग्नाइज करने के लिए लिखा। ये RGU उन 5% यूनिवर्सिटी में है जिसने दोनों मोड में अपनी योग्यता दिखाई है, इसलिए आप बधाई के पात्र हैं। आपने शोले में एक डायलॉग सुना था, जो डर गया वो मर गया। तो मैं ये मानता हूं कि जो सो गया वो मर गया, इसलिए सोना नहीं है। रजिस्ट्रार साहब ने अभी आपको बताया कि हमें प्रयास करने हैं A++ के लिए। अच्छा, धन्यवाद। ऑल द टाइम बेलिंग आउट। तो अब मैं चाहता तो थोड़ा दिन और इंतजार कर सकता था, लेकिन भारत सरकार की तरफ से अब ये नियम आ गए हैं कि अब हम ग्रेड नहीं दिया करेंगे, दिसंबर से ग्रेड बंद हो जाएंगे। और अब अभी भी आप ग्रेड ना लेके बाइनरी कर सकते हैं, यानी कि हम लोग चाहते तो ये कह सकते थे नैक से कि साहब हमें ग्रेडिंग मत दीजिए, आप हमें बाइनरी दीजिए, यानी कि ग्रेड नैक हुआ या नहीं हुआ, अब आपके सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स के अलग अलग बाइनरी होगी। फिजिक्स में ग्रेड है, नैक है या नहीं, केमिस्ट्री में है या नहीं, AITS में है या नहीं, तो अब हमें ग्रेड नहीं मिलेंगे। तो इसलिए आप यूनिवर्सिटी समुदाय में अंतिम पीढ़ी है जो ग्रेड देख रहा है, इसलिए आपको बधाई है। अब आप हमेशा ये कह सकते हैं कि हम तो एक ग्रेड यूनिवर्सिटी के बाद बाइनरी हुए हैं, इसलिए मैंने इस ग्रेडिंग की परवाह की। मुझे सपने तो A++ के ही आते थे। सर आपका रिजल्ट डिस्कस ही नहीं हो सकता है, तो मैंने कहा कि तरीका बताइए। ये बहुत कम यूनिवर्सिटी को मौका मिलता है कि शायद हमारा ग्रेड यूनिवर्सिटी का बहुत अच्छा रहा होगा और वो इस ग्रेड को बगैर डिक्लेयर किए रह नहीं पाते, तो फिर उन्होंने एक स्पेशल परमिशन देके एक पोर्टल खोला जिसमें आप विद्यार्थियों ने अपना सहयोग किया। आज की डेट में अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी का जो स्टूडेंट फीडबैक है वो देश भर में हाईएस्ट है, इसलिए आपको बधाइयाँ। हमने 36% फीडबैक दिया, यानी कि अगर 100 विद्यार्थी यहाँ पढ़ रहे हैं तो 36 विद्यार्थियों ने फीडबैक दिया। लेकिन अगर ये फीडबैक हम पहले दिन दे देते, जिस दिन उन्होंने ये खोला था, तो शायद हमारे ग्रेड में और भी उन्नति होती। लेकिन नेवर माइंड, ये यात्रा चलती रहेगी, हम सब सीखते रहेंगे और चलने का नाम जिंदगी है, सीखने का नाम जिंदगी है। इन शब्दों के साथ मैं आपको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं देता हूं और आगे आने वाली जिंदगी के लिए भी शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। जय अरुणाचल, जय भारत।
Thank you so much, sir. Not only for his words of encouragement today, but always encouraging the university family. He has not only transformed the face of the university physically, but also the work ethics. In the last 5.5 years, he has been in the Rajiv Gandhi University. He has been continuously working for the development and the betterment. And his own words, in an interview he said, I want to see Rajiv Gandhi University as the top university. I want to see it in the NIF 100. From a big university to great in NAG, a carbon-neat university, a eco-campus, plastic-free zone, a university with multiple academic pursuits. Thank you so much, sir, for taking the university to its new heights. We are going towards conclusion of the program, and next presentation we have is from a former student of a very vibrant department of Fine Arts and Music, Mr. Jigson Pool, who is a former student who is now doing research in Shastriya Sangeet, and he will be accompanied by Subendu Manaji, who is a musician and a guest faculty member in the Department of Fine Arts and Music. I hope you all enjoy this small presentation of classical music from the Rajiv Gandhi University.
नमस्कार, गुड इवनिंग आप सभी को। मैं जगदीशन पुर, हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल म्यूज़िक का ही मैं स्टूडेंट हूँ और यहाँ से मैं 5 साल पहले पास आउट हो गया था। मैंने BA यहाँ से किया है और MA BHU से मैंने किया है हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल म्यूज़िक में। तो 5 साल बाद आके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। और मेरा राइट साइड पे है जो तबला पे है मन्ना सर, तानपुरा पे है चौहान भाई, चौहान टाइप, एंड हारमोनियम पे है इम्तियाज़ फ्रॉम कश्मीर। तो ये भी यहाँ पे मतलब म्यूज़िक का पढ़ाई करने आया है, म्यूज़िक स्टूडेंट है। तो हम सब के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए, क्या बात। कोशिश करेंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पे इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूज़िक हम लोग का यहाँ पूरा नया है, तो कहीं कहने का मौका नहीं मिलता है। तो मैं 1-2 शब्द कहना चाहूँगा यहाँ कि अभी बहुत सारा स्टूडेंट निकला है यहाँ से। तो हिंदी, बॉलीवुड, हॉलीवुड तो होते ही रहता है, तो क्लासिकल म्यूज़िक को भी थोड़ा सा प्रोत्साहन आप लोग दीजिए, तो हम लोग को और भी मौका मिलेगा। थैंक यू। तो हम लोग आज प्रस्तुत करेंगे राग बिन परसरी। कोशिश करेंगे, अगर कहीं गड़बड़ हो जाए तो माफ़ कर दीजिएगा। श्याम नीरज में धूम मचायो श्याम कैसे मैं सखी जाऊं अपनी धाम कैसे मैं सखी जाऊं अपनी धाम नीरज में धूम मचायो श्याम नीरज में धूम सब सखियां मेरी होली खेलत है सब सखियां मेरी होली खेलत है सब सखियां मेरी होली खेलत है अखियन गलत गुलाल बीरज में धूम मचायो श्याम बीरज में धूम मचायो श्याम बीरज में धूम बीरज में धूम
Thank you very much. This was Jason Poole from the Department of Fine Arts and Music, a proud alumni of the university who is at Banaras Hindu University further pursuing his interest in music. Now coming to the conclusion towards program.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. It's a proud privilege for me to extend vote of thanks to this august gathering. The journey started the accreditation process from 2015. That year, our university was accredited with grade B with 2.40. Now we see the quantum jump from 2.40 to 3.02, surpassing B plus, B double plus. Now we are a grade A university, one of the rarest occasions of the university, and to celebrate this occasion. Our Honorable Vice Chancellor, who is dynamic, energetic, and always on his toes, till late evening, it is his habit to stay back in the office. During these years, my association and learnings from is that whenever he comes back from the Hollongi airport, directly he moves on to his office chamber, that is Vice Chancellor's Secretariat. People were still there in offices, and what we have seen, the grade A accredited by the NAC Bangalore. Dear friends, I take this opportunity to thank each one of you in this celebrated day of the university, Thanksgiving celebration of the Rajiv Gandhi University. We extend our heartfelt thanks to our Vice Chancellor, Professor Saket Kushwaha, and Madam Vice Chancellor, Madam Vaisali Kushwaha. We have with us Professor Tomorima, the first Vice Chancellor of Arunachal University of Studies, Rajiv Gandhi University. We are so grateful to you, sir, to have been with us in this August gathering. We are so much grateful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor of Arundhati University, Dr. V.N. Sharma, for your kind presence. We are so much delighted to have you, sir. We are also very much grateful to our government officers, directors, Gaon Budas, public leaders, local entrepreneurs, the other officers who have gathered here and made us delightful for celebration of this grade A accreditation to this university. We are also very much grateful to our statutory officers, Registrar of the Vice Chancellor of Rajiv Gandhi University, the Finance Officer of the Rajiv Gandhi University, the Control of Examination in absentia, all the statutory officers, the deans of faculties, the heads of departments, the members of IQSE, the members of SSR committees, and all faculties, heads of departments, and the staff of the Rajiv Gandhi University and their family members, without whom this grade would not have been possible. We are also very much grateful to our joint registrars, assistant registrars, section officers, all the departments, all the centers. Then we are very much grateful to our students, the alumni associations, the parents, the RGUT Teachers Association, the Students Association, as well as other bodies in the Rajiv Gandhi University. We are also very much thankful to our all the branch heads that we have felicitated them, starting from engineering to the academic branch, etc. We are also very much thankful all the persons who are directly or indirectly associated with this accreditation process. We are very much thankful to our cultural troops, the technical team, the sound system, and moreover others like the just finished exit of our peer team comprising the 7 members led by Professor Shashi Kumar from Himachal Technical University, Himachal Pradesh. We are very much grateful to the organizing team comprising the 7 members, including the officers, the staff, and all the persons who are associated with this celebration of the events. We are very much thankful to the Government of India, Minister of Education, and at last we are grateful to NAC Bangalore. I take this opportunity once again, thank each and every ladies and gentlemen present whom I could not take up names. So I may beg apologize. Once again, I thank each and every and thank this Rajiv Gandhi University. Thank you very much.
here.